Good days, ladies and gentlemen. Now, I just want to put in, if your Xbox has went black screen, don't panic. It's nothing to do with your Xbox. It's something to do with the Xbox Live service, okay? The way to find it is just disconnect your Xbox to the internet, i.e. turn off your router, then restart your Xbox, and you'll see that your Xbox turns up perfectly fine like this. Turns on absolutely fine. There's no issue at all. Now, the issue is only with Xbox Live. What you have to do is wait until they fix their issue, and then automatically your Xbox will get fixed. Now, I do just want to say, I just wanted to make this video to make sure that you guys don't panic. It's nothing you can do at your end, I'm afraid. You just have to be patient and waiting for the Xbox Live service. It happened to me a few times now. I've had an Xbox, normal Xbox, an Xbox S, and an Xbox X, which I currently have, and it's happened to all three over the time I've had them. Just recently it happened to my Xbox X, but of course, all I did was, if I wanted to play on a single player game, if you really want to play a game right now in terms of it's happened to you, this black screen, don't panic. You don't have to return it to the store or anything like that. It's just nothing to do with your console, okay? Your console's completely fine. The issue's with back at Microsoft and the Xbox Live service, okay? They're having the error, alright? All you have to do is wait for them to fix it and your Xbox will be completely fine. But of course, if you do really need to get on your Xbox to do something that you maybe don't need the internet for, just make sure your internet's off, turn your Xbox on, and make sure your Xbox doesn't automatically try and connect to the internet, then it will try and automatically connect to Xbox Live. And it's when it tries to connect to the Xbox Live, that's when it's going to have this black screen error, of course. Now, just check online and it'll tell you, just look up Xbox Live service, is it down? And you'll see that there'll be loads of reports of people having this black screen problem. What happens is Xbox tweet out that they're looking into it, troubleshooting, and it gets fixed. For me, and every time it's happened to me over the years, it's taken about an hour and a half from when it first happened to get fixed. That's fine, you get over it and it happens quickly. Just don't be rushing to conclusions in terms of returning your Xbox to the store or freaking out like that. Just as I say, be patient, wait it out. But by all means, if you want proof, you just have to turn your internet off and then turn your Xbox on, and you'll see that your Xbox turns on fine, absolutely fine like this. I know this is it's got fixed now. It only took, as I say, it happened to like 6 o'clock at night last night for me, but it got fixed by like 8 o'clock and it just restarted the Xbox and it boom, it was completely fine. So don't panic, it's nothing to do with your own Xbox, don't freak out. All these videos I have like unscrewing the Xbox the lid off and messing around with the motherboard and the graphics card and all that, no. Don't do that. Don't do that. Your Xbox is completely fine. Just go on the internet. Obviously you won't be able to go on your internet on your Xbox, but go on your internet on whatever you have, a computer or laptop, and look to see what's happening with the Xbox Live service, because that is the issue. It's on them, not you, okay? So don't worry about it. Just be a little bit patient. As you say, I've not had to wait any longer than like an hour for it to get fixed automatically, okay? Don't panic. Everyone will be fine. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I just wanted to put that out there because there's a lot of videos saying that you have to reset. It's not like the thing what happened with the PlayStation where I had the yellow light of death or the Xbox orange ring of death. It's not like that. Don't worry. It's completely fine. It gets fixed in no time, alright? I just want to make this short video. Don't panic, it's completely fine. Alright, just be patient, and of course if you want proof, you do what I told you to do as well, and it will show you, alright? Just as I say, the best way to say, just Google Xbox Live service to see if it's down, and you'll see that loads of people are having this issue. And by all means, drop a like, drop a subscribe, spread this video about to make sure that, because if it just keep happening, just makes the issue, makes it fixed, okay? I just want to make sure nobody overshoots it and sells their Xbox or returns it to the store, because your actual software is completely fine. So don't worry about it, okay? But you have a good day, alright? Just be patient. I'm sure you'll get fixed in about an hour, alright? You have a good day. Peace.